cover up. We all wear clothes. Clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain. Clothes make us look smart. The way people dress depends upon their environment. Different types of clothes are worn in different seasons. Clothes are made of cotton, wool, silk and other materials. Cotton. We get cotton from the cotton plant. Cotton is made into thread. The thread is woven into cloth. Cloth is used to make different types of clothes. Cotton clothes are worn mostly in summer. Wool. Ooh, it is so cold. Woolen clothes will keep us warm. We get wool from sheep. Silk. Silk has a smooth, soft texture. We get silk from the silkworm. Silkworms live on the mulberry tree. We make clothes, bed sheets, curtains, towels, bags and many more things from cloth. Clothes are of different types. Sometimes the clothes which people wear tell us about the work they do. People working in banks and offices often wear light-colored clothes. Motor mechanics use dark-colored clothes while working so that the dirt does not show on their clothes. People working in the police, army, navy, air force and hospitals wear different uniforms. Children also wear uniforms to school. People working in fields use short clothes. These clothes reach only up to their knees. Long clothes will get wet in the rice fields. Washing time. Take care of your clothes. To keep clothes clean, soak them in soapy water for some time. Then wash them with clean water. Do not wash them roughly. Dry white clothes in the sun and colored clothes in the shade. Mend and stitch your clothes when torn.